Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we saw how to delete a circular double linked list. Hope the concept was clear. Now in this video let's recap all the time and space complexities that we have seen for all the 6 operations on circular double linked list. So the first operation was creation of a circular double linked list. So the time complexity we saw was order of 1 because all that we have done is we have initialized some of the reference variables and created one single node over here. So doing all these operations will take order of 1 time. Space complexity again was order of 1 because we have created only one single node. Now the next operation we saw was insertion of a node in a linked list. So time complexity was order of n because in case if you want to insert a node in between any two nodes, in that case we have to loop from start till location -1. So that takes order of n time. Now the space complexity was order of 1 because all that we have done is created one extra node, nothing more than that. Now the next operation was traversal and reverse traversal. So both of them took order of n time because we have to traverse or visit each and every node in the list. So that will take order of n time. Space complexity was order of 1 because we use some temporary variables to do some loop and all, nothing more than that. Next operation was the search operation. So that again took order of n time because in the worst case, if we are looking for a number which does not exist in the list, we might have to travel the entire list and then conclude that the number is not there in the list. So that will take order of n time. Space complexity once again will be order of 1 because we use some temporary variables here and there, nothing more than that. The next operation was deletion of a node. So that took order of n time because if we want to delete any node which is not the first or the last node, then we have to create a loop from start till location -1. So in the worst case, we might have to travel almost the entire linked list. So that will take order of n time. Space complexity was order of 1 because we use some temporary variable, nothing more than that. Now the last operation was deletion of a linked list. So deletion of linked list took order of n time because we have to make sure that the previous reference of each and every node has been set to null, else the nodes will never get deleted. So to traverse each and every node and then update the previous reference of them will take order of n time. Space complexity again will be order of 1 because all that we are doing is using some temporary variables, nothing more than that. So basically if we are using any space which is proportional to the length of the list, then we talk about in terms of either log n, n square or so. But if we are doing some constant operations and require only few constant number of variables, the space complexity always is order n. So that was a quick recap of the time and space complexity for all operations on circular double linked list. Now in the next video, let's compare the time complexity of operations that can be performed on a linked list versus an array.